Well, these are some pictures that I generated using Gemini AI. So essentially, this is the style of the battle scar of the T-800 model from the Terminator movie. So this particular style is actually quite difficult to achieve here using Photoshop. I still remember that a few years ago I was trying to make my photo to look like it was from the Terminator movie, and it took me hours, and even that the result wasn't so great. But now we can get a similar and perhaps better result using AI in less than 1 minute. So let me show you how you can turn your photo to look like this, like from the Terminator character from the movie, using Gemini AI. So this is actually a great effect or some fun application using AI, and I think you can use it for final marketing or branding, or perhaps you want to get some Halloween inspiration. I think you can use this technique. But anyway, let me show you how you can use the prompt. So let's go to gemini.google.com, and here I will try to use this picture. So previously I was showing you the pictures of men, but the prompt can actually work on women as well. So let me just copy this photo and upload that to Gemini. Okay, now there are actually two prompts that you can use, but let's use the first prompt, the first prompt first. So I'm going to copy this, and don't worry, all the prompts will be available in the description down below. And I'm going to paste that right here. Now, one thing that you can change is the position of the dominant scar. So if you actually look at some examples on Google, you'll see that usually they only show one particular side of the face that is showing the metal skeleton of the robot. And that's where you can choose whether the scar is on the left or on the right of the face. So in this case, I think I want to use the right side of the face to be showing the metal skeleton underneath. Now click Tools, click Create Images, and send the message. So this will take about usually 10 to 20 seconds to generate one picture. It is pretty fast. And by the way, I think I do recommend to actually use a photo where the character is showing the full face, so it's not just one side of the face. And also, maybe you want to choose a photo where the character or the person is in a serious expression. I think it's not quite great if you are using the smile or laughing expression, because it's not like in the movie anymore. Anyway, we got this result. I think it looks great. Now, let's move on with the second prompt. So the second prompt is actually quite similar to the first prompt, but it is essentially trying to maintain everything, like the pose, the lighting, the position, etc. So it's not going to make the picture to be cinematic like this. And if that is something that you want, then let me show you how you can use it. I'm going to start a new thread on Gemini again. And for this example, I'll use a different picture. So this is the picture that I'm going to use. Let me just copy. Let's paste that to Gemini. And after that, this is the prompt that you can copy. Again, the prompt is going to be available in the description down below. And let me select perhaps the left side of the face to be showing the scar. Click Tools, click Create Images, and just send the message. So just wait again for another 10 or 20 seconds. And yeah, I hope the result is great, but just wait and see. Okay, so yeah, it is decent, and yeah, as you can see, it is maintaining the same expression, position, lighting, etc. So that's the goal of the second prompt. So that's essentially how you can turn your own photo into a quite realistic and cinematic T-800 model from the Terminator movie. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.